Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch-up video. I'm pleased to say that the horrible cough and sore throat and aching limbs is starting to go away. I do feel quite a lot better. My wife Deborah is much better. The antibiotics are certainly working. Her chest clearing up. She's sort of feeling a lot better as well. So I really hope things progress, feeling better through the year. Today's video, because I haven't done anything at all in the workshop for the last couple of weeks because I've been feeling like shite, I've picked a random video from the archives of nightcaps. It's a really old one. It's actually video number 40 or nightcap number 40. I'm sure you'll find that interesting. What's going to be happening this year. I've been approached by a company to do a review on a laser welder, which I'm really looking forward to doing. Deborah's got another model steam engine to assemble, which she's looking forward to getting into. I've got my copper boiler to finish off. I've got loads of work to do. I've got a lot of welding work coming in. I'm hopefully going to go and do some more work with my friend Howard on his Wallace and Stevens traction engine, mainly boiler repairs, I think. Of course, I'm looking forward to the new steam rally season, going over the caravan with a wife, do a few rallies, starting to enjoy myself and sort of starting to wind down a little bit from that hassle of work. Anyway, that's enough of me talking and whittering on. Let's have a look and see what this nightcap was all about. Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. In tonight's nightcap, I've got one or two car boot sale items. We went to a car boot sale this morning. I've had a week off work and I've spent a little bit of time at various museums, namely Tanfield Railway Museum. I went there with a friend last week. The museum was actually closed, but we did get some decent footage. We were allowed to have a look around the place. Unfortunately, all the engine sheds were closed, but we did get a look at some of the derelict trains and carriages that are waiting to be restored. One in particular, there's a big steam crane there, a steam recovery crane. That was a really nice bit of gear. I got a fair bit of video of that. Obviously, things aren't working, so all I've done, I've just put a few clips together with a soundtrack on. I hope you enjoy that. I've recently done some videos on making some old-fashioned cast wheels or cast look-alike wheels for the Lister engine I bought for the wife. I got an email last week from a gentleman called John Vickers wanting to know if I would like a set of cast iron wheels. Yeah, of course I would. So what John actually did, he actually found some on eBay for us and he bought them. And believe it or not, he actually fetched them up. He came up yesterday morning, Saturday morning, and he spent a good few hours here looking around the shop and drinking coffee and generally talking. Anyway, John, this is one of the wheels John fetched us. There's four of them all the same, 12 inch diameter, they're 4 inches wide, and they're just the right ones for the sort of cart I want to make for the engine, and I want to make another one for that vacuum pump. There's one of them that one there, it's got a broken spoke. It'll be a good repair. I was going to braze it, but I think I'll drill a hole in and just put a cap head bolt through to hold it. Anyway, thanks very much, John. It was a real nice gesture and I really appreciate it. John left here with one or two crumbles and a polo shirt and he seemed very happy. There's no cooking in tonight's nightcap, by the way. What I intend doing, I'm going to split the nightcap into two, because I can't, it just takes that long to upload anything more than 15 minutes. It's easier for me to do it in two bits and upload them separate. I do a welding repair for a friend on a little machine vise, a little drilling machine vise. He smashed one of the mountain lugs off. I made it out and TIG welded that back together. I'll show you some of that. I've got a drilling machine vise here, belongs to a friend of mine, and the lugs come off. I don't know how it come off, but it's come off. And he wants to know if I can weld that back onto there. It's cast iron. It's quite a good vise. The one I've got's quite decent as well. This one's been abused a bit, but it's still a decent little vise. So what I intend to do is, I'll V that out, clamp it to something flat, preheat it, and I'm going to weld it with a cast iron welding rod. And I've got some stick welding electrodes here for cast. What I'm going to do, I'm going to knock the flux off and use my TIG welder on DC and weld it with a TIG welder, and it'll cool nice and slowly, and hopefully it won't crack. Probably one of the best ways to do it would be to bronze weld it or braze it, but I've got no oxyacetylene and I've got no silicon bronze rods, because you can use silicon bronze with a TIG but you can't use brass. Right, so we'll clean this up, V it out, clamp it over a bit of metal and weld it. I'll try and get some shots through the mask if I can. You've got to do a fair bit of damage to things so you can get into it and weld it. Should be able to get into that quite nicely and fill that in. Right, I've got it clamped where I want it welding. Try and fill that in with welding there so I can get in with I should be able to get into there. And I can put a nice fillet on there that won't get in the way of anything. A bit of reinforcement. Feel on the bottom of the crack where it wants to fit. This clamp will be left on and it cools. Hopefully I can get enough preheat in there and keep it warm enough to stop it from cracking. It normally cracks when it cools down as it shrinks. These cast rods are probably pure nickel rods, so they shouldn't contract when it cools down. All I do is just knock the flux off them. A couple of rods should be enough. Polish with a bit of emery tape, they're ready to go. And you need to get a bit of warmth into it. Take the chill of it before trying to weld it. This also helps the boil and your other piece out of the metal. cover it up, let it cool off nice and slowly, and have a look at it again in the morning.
once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, it is quite important. Don't forget, if you want to see more of me, I also have a Patreon channel. The link is in the description box. And yes, I'm going to still carry on, banging on about mental health, because mental health needs to be addressed. This is a new year, so let's try our best to sort of enjoy ourselves and think positive. If you're having horrible, nasty thoughts, you need to get help. You really do need to go and talk to somebody. Professional help is available, and believe me, it does work. Anyway, thanks for watching.